Alright. I go by the name of Mr. Dreamer, Milas, but your girl could call me.
Hell yeah.
Stuff is cute. Yeah, welcome to yet another episode of Umjolo The Dating at Umjolo 411 on Instagram and YouTube. YouTube, you can find it at Smiles Pictures channel. Please go about subscribing to my channel on YouTube, Smiles Pictures. So yeah, this right here is a special episode which I go about Umjolo. The whole point is finding solutions, finding an understanding of why we date and the challenges of Umjolo The Dating. So the normal schedule is Monday to Friday, weekly. Yeah, well, manje again, that's not enough time. So I decided to extend the time to a weekend special. So weekend special Saturdays, I'll be joined by, I can't resolve this by myself. I can't resolve this by myself. So I'll be with this guy who will introduce himself.
What's up, guys? So as you know, so Umjolo, the pandemic, we're taking over. So the weekend episode, I'll be joining Miles. My name is Mr. Placid himself, and our guest for today is
Yonela. It's your girl Yonela.
So yeah, every session we have that guest.
Yeah.
So sizama ukuresolve lento Umjolo naye. And today we happen to have what's your Instagram handle, by the way?
Catch me at Yonela.
And I'm Mr. at Miss Miles, Mr. Dreamer. Wait, now I'm mixing things up. At Mr. Dreamer _ Miles. What's your Instagram handle, sir?
Sabi Mr. Placid on IG, Sabi Mr. Placid on Facebook, you know. So okay, without wasting any time, let's get into it. So tell us, Yonela, what is your relationship status? What is your relationship status?
She's taken.
Taken. So you are cuffed.
Unfortunately.
Okay, so tell us about your relationship. How it is. Like, when did it start? You know, tell us
the basics.
The basics. Take us into it. We are riding your boat right now. Let us float.
Okay, so
How old is the relationship?
Yeah.
It's gonna be like the 3rd year now.
3rd year?
Yeah.
How old are you? Are we allowed to ask that?
No.
No.
Confidential. It's
Okay,
fine.
the age gap between you all guys.
1 year.
1
He's
year.
1 year older than me.
He's
So-
1 year older than you.
Yeah.
Alright. What else? Okay, relationship wise, relationship akali. Are you in the same area? Well, what's your distance here?
Distance.
How often do you get to see one
each other, yeah. Because it's important.
Okay, first distance, maybe it's like 30 minutes away.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
You've always been that way. 30 minutes, G.
That I don't feel
Yeah.
like that's a long distance though.
Yeah, it's not that long distance.
So how serious are you guys?
Be serious.
Wait. You've always been that way. 30 minutes away.
30 minutes away from each
Last
other.
year, it was 30 minutes away.
Last year, no. Last year was kind of long.
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Yeah,
Before
because-
the session, you told us you kind of sort of were
Long.
in a long distance.
You know, when we talk
relationship.
about long, we talk about kilometers.
Oh, bruh.
So it was a long distance before.
For me, it was long because, like, usually I mean, like, Tuesday, you know. Like,
Yeah. So you can.
So
you
we
know,
session here, no good in Bonana often.
yeah, often, yeah. Like, time ka day.
Yeah, it's our way. The
No.
challenges, a long distance.
Besingabonani kakhulu because also like money hadn't gibela every time.
Oh, ukhala
Like,
ngemali.
Imali.
Imali.
Hey, that's
imali
another
ukuyidinga.
thing. Money is important ukuthi
Imali.
Umjolo uqhubeke. Yabona ubunandi
Yeah.
buyafika imali iyayenza ukuthi yabo kube spontaneous ku relationship. Imali yadingeka. So yeah.
Okay.
That's another thing.
So, what do you like about your guy in a relationship? Like, what sort of things that you like about him? There has to be something that attracted you to that certain guy. Like, no, this guy. There are a lot of guys out there. So, what made him so special for him to capture that spot in your heart?
noma ungayiqala-iqalile ukuthi kahlangana kanjani.
Bro, we wanna hear that sauce.
Okay, so
Nahlangana kanjani? Yeah.
first, like he was like a friend to me, you know.
Oh.
He was like a friend to me. Kind of guys no kudwakhe, you know, like friends and stuff.
You're flirted with them?
No, I never flirted with his brother. No, I never flirted with his brother. We were just friends, and then guys no kudwakhe, he said come over. I was like okay, and then from then on we were just friends. Like nobody, I think like he didn't like me by that time because I was.
But you're crushing on him.
No, I go figure it out. I go figure it out.
Oh.
Not the brother. Not
The other guy.
Okay,
Him.
Ima, you were just friends, no puta.
No, but that we're just friends. Just friends.
Nothing
I never
happened.
liked him. Nothing.
You never liked him.
No, never liked him. He was just a friend. Yeah, and then after that, my boyfriend, I made up with him. Sabangani, got close. And some regular stage, then I see like we were like best friends and all that stuff.
Oh, so from friends to best friends.
And then,
Stages, eh?
Yeah,
and then we were
that's
like
a best
siblings, brother and sister, or something like that.
You're even playing that role of brother and sister while you are dating.
No, we're not dating by that time.
No, we
That's
were
not
dating,
true.
but yabo banikezana my hints, yabo.
Yeah.
First
Hint
became
stage.
friends, and then best friends, and then like call each other brother and sister.
While you like each other.
Yeah.
Well,
sure.
wait, while we were like brother and sister, I had a crush on him, like totally.
Oh, what
The more
I
time.
didn't tell him.
Yeah.
Esakutshela ukuthi brother and sister vibes bunga-expectanga more wena ukuthi hayi maybe it's getting there usanethemba.
Yeah.
You were still hoping ukuthi hayi he's gonna ask me out, today is the day.
No, I never thought that because I feel like muntu lo angatshengisi ama-feelings and all that stuff. He's
Okay,
just
you weren't expecting it,
yeah, I was
but you were hoping to.
yeah, I was hoping.
That's what I'm getting at, Buffett. So Buffett, lento ucuza sometimes taking too long, because amantombazane, I've noticed, man, on my personal mengizwe yabo. I never let ukujola bethi angiqalanga ukuba curious manje. Ngihosta le Umjolo The Dating for a reason. I've been curious, asking around. I'm not taking they can crush on you, right? Have a serious crush on you. But I don't expect no crush. It lasted for a long time. Once it's gone, it's gone. We take long to realize it.
We take
The
long.
time, most of the times you realize that you're not a circle now. That's another thing.
Kunzima. So, but the guy was also crushing on you. We just maybe you were scared to tell each other what he.
No, he told me time we confessed. He also didn't like me. I never saw.
Didn't like.
No, he liked
liked
me.
you.
Oh.
No, he didn't tell me.
Ima. Nashelana usanalo uthando lakho ukuthi you see to status exchange ukuthi from friendship to boyfriend. Uthando lakho lasapho you still like him.
Yeah, I still like
That's
him.
what I'm trying
I still
to
like
find
him.
out.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is interesting. So how is it going so far?
No, everything's going good. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What are your expectations or you don't expect? Because there's always expectations in relationships.
Expectations. I could say.
Or maybe okay, let me put it this way. Are you the jealous type?
Yo, I'm so jealous. I'm so jealous.
No, that is one challenge, eh?
I know most of the girls, I'm not the women, they just have jealous.
Also, you don't like seeing your man around other girls.
No, that's cool, but then like, yeah. Yeah, if I'm jealous, yeah, that's the part.
But we are sharp,
Yeah.
Yes.
Especially if, like, some of my Thomas are bad.
Aye. Umjolo bafethu, umjolo unzima bafethu. Umjolo unzima. It's hectic.
End this story.
It's hectic, yeah. It's hectic.
Hey, when are you the jealous type?
Nah, man.
You're not jealous?
Nah, bro.
Hey,
Not
but
that
what
much.
makes you-
Not that much.
Okay,
I
it's okay.
follow. Hey.
How come,
I
sir?
follow.
Imag.
No, I won't say I'm not the jealous type completely, bro,
Ima,
but I don't
Ima,
want to
see-
focus on that. Like, what's give it like, yeah, but
That's
the
not
more-
an answer.
No, the more you put your umuntu amenza lokho uzohlanya, bro.
Ima, okay.
You
I
can
see-
ukuthi seni hayi angikhulume mengekho you're not beside her ngisho next to her nakho futhi uyabona ukuthi mhlawumbe nangumjida futhi uzama uthatha ama chance
Now, of course, that it's always hit that, bro. What's it? Wonke umthetho unjalo, but you have to protect what you love, bro.
But you-
so you are jealous.
Yes, I am.
So like, what if like your girlfriend, something like, a city something ume like with your friends?
I say confess it, jealous. We all jealous.
Wena?
Ukuthi there's a level of jealousy. So kasi jealous,
Yeah.
nami jealous.
Everyone, I say.
Ukuthi there's insecure jealousy and toxic jealousy and different levels of it.
As long as you trust your person, though.
Trust.
Yeah,
That is
trust
another
is
thing.
baleki.
Trust is very important. Trust, loyalty. Are you loyal?
Yeah,
Oh.
I'm loyal.
Are you loyal?
Yeah, I'm loyal.
Hey,
Dead loyal.
being loyal,
It
yo,
takes that much.
to me, it's a job. It's fun. It's all the coconut sona. There go by.
No, Mama, because if you're not loyal, it's like you're wasting someone's time. So when your guy is loyal, the way you see it.
Yeah, nah.
Mm.
Yeah. But I wouldn't know umuntu with 20
Siyakhuluma. Of course,
Yeah,
but
but then like,
you always have that feeling would say,
no.
that one.
I used to have.
Then you just relax.
And I was like, no, it's okay.
Mm.
I know he loves me, but
Oh, he loves. And it's really Leon. He loves.
Oh, she's a. Don't do that, dog.
Love.
Unani.
Love.
Unani.
Ngiyamazi ukuthi dog.
Angmazi.
Exactly, dog.
No, what ngiyamazi.
Omas.
From his Tom. I know
Okay,
him.
yeah, I
Exactly.
used to post him.
Yeah, she used
From
to.
Miss Tom, hey, what the personally?
The one you used to post on a six pack.
Yeah, 6 pack.
That the one they did now. I remember the same one.
Yeah.
You got it? Ingaku one day you got 6 pack.
Sure.
It's not about the 6 pack.
Ah.
Yeah, I completely behind that love.
It's not
How
about
you reached this point. You still remember
how
the trust.
I'm not
Trust.
like these other chicks. I'm like some 6 packs. No.
Ah, yeah, well, me
I
now.
know.
Since you mentioned Uguti, the dog, the dude is muscular and whatnot. Ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe we were still skinny and whatnot ngalezi iy'khathi sakwi-friend zone and family
No, he was still the
zone.
same.
And you start pumping
Oh,
yourself so you can
Oh, but
hold him.
score that shit.
No.
Just stay time to
I saw
take.
this quarter, he just
Yeah, alright. So, you know, like I like his body shape. Yeah, alright.
Oh my daughter. Uthando liyavuta bafethu kule ngane le. You can see with the smile that uthi no uyamthanda umuntu wakhe bafethu. So this is what we like. About umjolo umuntu umele amthanda umuntu wakhe. You need to be happy with your relationship. If you're not happy, that means you're wasting your time. So you are happy you are in your relationship. Bafethu. Niyayizwela nani ukuthi she's happy. This is what the show is about. Umjolo the pandemic ukuthi umuntu aze la azokhuluma about how they feel about their partners and they must be open about it. So you okay. Do you like publicity or privacy?
It can be public.
No, that's not the answer. Do you like publicity or public? Do you like your relationship to be out there or you like it to keep it secret? That's what I'm trying to. So you need to elaborate, explain. What say? No, I prefer it must be private, or I prefer it must be. That's what I want to hear from you. Public. So you want everyone to know what's no, this guy is dating Yonela.
No, I don't want them to know Oguti who's the person.
But you want them to know that he's taken.
Yeah.
Mm.
No.
What you mean?
It's okay if it's public, ne? But I don't want the like abantu bazi ukuthi ubalo.
Oh, awufuni babo.
Uma bazi ukuthi okay, I'm taken.
Oh, awufuni ukuthi bahambe sebamthatha. Now, Khalila lokhu uthi umjida wakhe ngoba une-six pack, then other girls they can just like, easily flirt with him and everything.
Ukuba kuya ngayo ngoba yamthathuwa nje futhi
Ngathi akahlala naye everyday yabo fethu ingane semathandweni niyayibona nani wafethu. So Umjolo the pandemic. So
yaglowa nje kuyimanje.
you can see ukuthi she's happy, and this is what we all about. We get to discuss about Umjolo. We get to discover izinto about how they are in their relationship. We're not making anyone to break up with their partners. We're not taking out any secrets. We're not like going deep
Unless they want to get deep.
Yeah.
If
If you wanna get deep, we can get deep.
We can get-
yeah.
Sama nge-vibe yakho.
Yeah, but once you wanna get deep, we can always go with the flow. So if you wanna keep it, also we're gonna go with your pace, man. So yeah, our friends, Umjolo the pandemic, Mr. Mouse.
So, yeah. What I have to say, man. Ma?
Nah,
Oh,
but I
you still-
I feel like we almost at the end of
Yeah.
Our
We
episode.
still. You remember the extra 2 minutes, right?
the extra 2 minutes.
So we're heading for 22.
So tell us, what is your future like? What do you want to achieve with your man?
Before we get there, the cell phone checking.
Oh,
the privacy.
How can I forget about that?
Injani leyo.
No, I was checking on my phone. Mhlambe like asithi like mhlambe ngiyogeza. Yabo, mhlambe ngizibe busy, yabo.
After doing the deed. So you're okay. No, I'm just saying.
Cha,
I'm just saying. I'm not going deep. I was just saying. Uyogeza. That means.
ngifanda ukubuka
Oh,
ngiyogeza.
Benle know it too.
Oh, what's wrong?
Oh, nah. I'm not getting deep. I was just rubbing around. So yeah, kubeka.
Yeah, so yeah, no, cell phone checking, no, we don't do it.
Yeah.
We don't do it. Because abantu baningi baqabanisa indaba yama-phone. But I would say contest ifihla or something, but if uzothola. Yeah. But I keep it ifihla.
Oh, moitola is not intentional. Iyenzeka nje.
You forgive and
That's what you
forget.
mean.
Does it mean that you got that heart of forgiving and forgetting?
That depends on the heart.
On how he did the, what can I say? Mausi actually. Okay, let's say that you catch your man cheating. You catch him cheating, man. How do you take it, and how much time you take for you to resolve the issue? Like, are you the type of person like, nah, that's it, give me my whole entire space, I want the entire month to resolve this issue? Or maybe you sit down umuntu wakho nikhulume awugoqe ukuthi afethu kwenzeka nje. I'm
like-
joking, but yeah.
He's that type of person ukuthi like mesixabana
Yeah.
siqede manje into ukuthi sibe right. Hayi indaba ukuthi mhlambe sibane like for days or weeks.
Yeah,
sibe
it's not
njalo.
good, eh? The more you're being distant, the more izinto zenu will be more complicated. So bafethu niyayizwela about Umjolo. Our episode about today, it was very interesting though. She's in love, she's cuffed. Mawuthi kunomjida uwambona la eseweni, and you like, okay, I'm craving for her, or I wanna be with her. She's taken, guys. You are taken.
Taken.
She's taken.
Lapha akunikezi ukuthi mhlawumbe take your luck, she's strictly
She's
married.
cuffed. You know when you talk
stay
about
on.
cuffed, she is cuffed.
So yeah, guys. Please remind abantu ukuthi your name and how
Yeah.
bakuthola kanjani khona la on Instagram.
Instagram. Okay. Igama lami uYonela Ndlela. Catch me on IG at Yoza Yonela. At Yoza Yonela, and Facebook and Yonela Yoza. It's the other way around. Yeah.
Alright, cool. Yeah, if you were present at the pandemic Jameson's pub, you would be familiar with her face. She's really popular.
She is.
The performance.
And also you should remind people, if they are new to the channel, they must not forget to subscribe.
Yeah, of course. I was getting there. We still have time. Anyway, if you just tuned in late, today's topic, we touched on her relationship. She's cuffed, she's happily married.
She's happy.
And yeah, once upon a time she was in a long distance, but it's no longer distance now. It's all good. It's all it's all great. And by the way, please don't forget to like and subscribe YouTube at Umjolo 411, which you can find at my YouTube channel Smiles Pictures. With my partner here, please
Please do the same thing, man. It's your boy Savi, Mr. Placid himself. We're gonna be back soon with a new episode. You know we always lit, we always have special guests. Umjolo always carries on from Monday to Friday. Weekdays, it's a special episode. So just make sure you follow up from Monday to Friday. Different guests every time. Don't forget to subscribe. You know how it is, man. From your boy Savi, our guest Yonela, Mr. Mars himself. We out.
And don't forget to follow me at Mr. Dreamer_Mouse.
Yeah.
And yeah, until next time.
Till next time.
Follow back.
We is out.
So how was that?
Yeah, it wasn't
It wasn't bad,
it
huh?
wasn't